Hello everyone. I am the participant of the hackathon named Building the Next Gen Agentic App with GraphRag and NVIDIA CoGraph. Let me just tell you about the workflow of my this hackathon. Basically, I have gone through the picture, or I may say the development process, which is itself provided by hackathon, and I have gone through this particular thing. Like very firstly, I have downloaded a data set. So the data set which I have downloaded is nothing but basically is of like suppose there are two different nodes. If we search anything on Wikipedia, suppose the user searches one thing and second user searches second thing, so the similarity between two different searches is marked by my data set. So basically the data set which I am using, it does have, I have just very firstly I have downloaded all the necessary modules. Secondly, I have gone through the creation of graph into like the network X. I have just downloaded it. So basically this is the data set of me. This is something called as cosine similarity. Cosine similarity represents how much similarity is present between two different searches. Two different searches specifies two different node in my graph. So this is something about my data set which I have used. Then secondly, the workflow goes like I have connected it to the network X and then itself to a Rango dataset. So just I have loaded that particular data set into my network X, and see, this is the network X I have imported, as well as I have used matplotlib to plot this particular graph. And secondly, this is my Arango DB, where the cloud of my Arango DB, and I have just hosted it over there. If you want to see, you can see this, this is the Arango DB, this is graph section and my graph, and it will be loading over here. So you can see this is my the graph. Okay, it is loaded into my Arango DB, where these are the nodes and ages which is present, as I have told you over here. Then secondly, nextly what I have did is I have uh, when I have connected it to a Rango database, now I have linked it to my LangChain model. So I have imported my Gen AI or Chat Gemini from Google about giving its API key, and then I have connected it with my Arango DB and itself LangChain. I have just prompted it, given the commands, and then I have created a tool over here which will be connecting my LLM model to my Arango graph, which will be fetching out the data from my Arango graph. So basically it is just a simple model which gives the AQL query and process it. Basic query, if I say does the graph contain node 0, it says yes, and different queries I have just passed on. So this was a short intro for my project. Thank you.